What's going on, everybody? Tyrell here. If you like crypto, on this channel I bring together the fundamentals and the technicals to help you on your journey. A free way to support this channel is to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I actually have video this time, so there's that. Getting into the markets, looking at the total crypto market cap, we're currently in a slight sell-off right now. So I have this market structure here. We got a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Change that. Okay, higher low, and then what we can see here is another higher high. This is still a bullish market structure, so we're currently sitting at 2.29 trillion in the total crypto market cap, and yeah, we're steadily above this $2 trillion mark, on our way upwards to maybe 3, 4, or 5 trillion as more and more money comes into the crypto market cap. Looking at Bitcoin, currently sitting at 55,589. It briefly got above 58,000, which has been a pesky resistance area, and it couldn't break above 60,000. So there were a lot of sellers, and we're currently below this 58,000 resistance level. But let's draw this trend line here. Boom. Just because connecting these lower lows, and it's similar to the market structure in the total crypto market cap. And we're gonna go into Ethereum, which recently touched $4,000, made brand new all-time highs, but now we sold off at 4,000. And in my previous video, I had it titled as Chest Beat Chant 5K ETH. So on our journey towards 5,000, we're gonna have ups and downs. Of course, that's just the nature of this market. And this is almost like a reversal pattern, you know, like an evening star, where you have like this type of doji and then a bearish candle the following day. And if like the market decides to dip a little bit, I mean, why wouldn't it? Any rational person will probably just like take profits at this level, wait for it to come down a little bit, and then scoop up a little bit more. Or someone could just like hold on to it because they know that this thing is going to appreciate in value over time, or that's their belief, that is their opinion. So yeah. And lastly, we're gonna get into Doge. This previous Saturday, Elon Musk was on Saturday Night Live, and immediately following his, I would say, appearance on Saturday Night Live, I didn't even watch it, to be honest. I was doing some other things. This thing just sold off, and I have the 69-cent level here because it's a meme token, so 69, and it just fell off. So from this high all the way down to its current levels, down 41%, at 45 cents right now. But I mean, you could say that this is sort of like a support level right here, and people may be scooping up some Dogecoin right here. Me personally, I don't own any Dogecoin, and this is just my opinion, not reflective of any body, company, or corporation. Yeah, so this thing has been on a tear lately, of course. So trading at fractions of a penny, bursted above that, hit nearly 10 cents, consolidated, and then this thing just took off in April of this year. Just monstrous gains. Let's just say 5 cents up to 69 cents, a 1,173% gain. That's insane. And some people are still holding on to this thing after that gain, right? Like, take some profits. Don't be greedy. That's crazy. And like, if like you held all the way up here and then down here, you're down like 40% from this previous all-time highs, and then you just like What happened? Elon Musk, please save me. Mention Doge, tweet Doge so that you can send this thing to the moon, which he's literally gonna do. Yeah, and then maybe hit $1. So let's see. It's at this level right now. I don't own any Doge. I know it does nothing. It's a meme token. Its objective is to be a joke, and people buy it. Simple as that. Looking at the total crypto market cap, yeah, here's the top 10. Litecoin has done pretty well lately, and Bitcoin Cash as well. My belief or my instinct is people see these tokens, like they're some of the older tokens, and they're able to buy a full amount of them. Like if you think of Bitcoin at $55,000, you're just like, oh, that's a big sum of money. Or even Ethereum, which used to be 2,500 a couple weeks ago, and now it's at 4,000. So that has just doubled in price. So you're just like, oh, maybe 4,000 is too expensive for me to buy a full Ethereum. But if you're looking at Bitcoin Cash relative to Bitcoin, $1,300 seems cheap compared to $55,000. So people instinctively or naturally think like, oh, I can afford that more. Or Litecoin, which is the silver to Bitcoin's gold, is at $351. So people think like, oh, I can buy a full Litecoin relative to a Bitcoin. Or even Ethereum Classic relative to Ethereum. So Ethereum is at $4,000, Ethereum Classic is at $100. I can buy a full Ethereum Classic. And most people, they don't really understand the difference between the two, like the history of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, and the applications of the two. Whereas like Ethereum aspires to be the world internet and has all these decentralized applications built upon it, right? So like as a layer 1, there's like layer 2s and ERC20 tokens, that entire ecosystem. Ethereum Classic, I haven't personally heard anything about that type of development or any of those decentralized applications. A lot of people just see like, oh, Ethereum Classic, I can buy a full one and like put money towards it. And that's just kind of the way that this market works. People see things, they see that it's cheap, and then they can buy full amounts of it, and it's gonna pump like in a couple weeks, which is what happened with this token. Not an endorsement, just taking a look at it. Animal inspired meme token Shiba Inu, which is based off of the Doge, right? Because that's a Shiba Inu dog. This thing literally had no volume last year, right? Came into the year with literally no volume whatsoever. Like nobody's even talking about it, touching it, trading it whatsoever. And then it picked up a little bit in the beginning of this year, Q1, and then Q2, it hit, when did it hit $1 million in volume? In April, right? The same thing with Doge. So it had like the same type of pattern, fractions of a penny, but it had 6 figures, 7 figures in volume, and then this thing just like took off. And now a lot of people are trying to buy more Shiba Inu because they believe it's going to do the exact same thing as Doge and just want to make money from it. But if you look at the tokenomics of Shiba Inu, the SHIB token, the volume is circulating supply, or like who owns it, what it aspires to do, and probably like aspires to do nothing. According to Shiba Inu, the reasoning behind the creation of Shiba is that Shibas constantly forget where they bury their treasure. The website proclaims many doggy wars have been waged over precious treasure and delicious goodies. So there's people putting their money towards something, and this is their objective. Many doggy wars have been waged over precious treasure and delicious goodies. Yeah, I'm not gonna put my money towards this thing. If you do, good luck to you. Do your own research and know that it's risky investing in something like this. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I'm not really going to get into news. There's a lot of resources out there that you can get into, like Medium, CoinDesk, Cointelegraph. They go over a lot of the breaking news in the cryptocurrency space. So if you wanted to do your own research and be up to date in some of the things that are happening around the block, then go to these sources. I'll leave a link to everything on there. Yeah, cool stuff. This is Tyrell. If you like my face, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.